If you think April and May are the months that determine your child's GCSE maths final grade, you have already misunderstood the most important moment in the entire year. Look, January mocks are not a practice run. They are a psychological event that sets the tone for everything that follows. A strong result builds belief. Your child carries that confidence through the second half of year 11, revises with more focus, and arrives at the real exams knowing that the work is paying off. Whereas a poor result without a proper response does the opposite. Confidence drops at the worst possible time. Predicted grades get revised downwards, and the gap between where they are and where they want to be starts to feel impossible rather than closable. By April, they're revising from a position of low belief, and that is the hardest place to produce a top grade from. The students who perform well in January are not always the ones who know the most content. They're the ones who have been doing timed papers regularly since September, marking their own work honestly and learning how GCSE maths is marked well enough to write answers that earn full marks under pressure. That preparation doesn't happen in 2 weeks before the mocks. It happens in the 4 months before it. Parents who treat September through to December as a preparation for January rather than preparation for May give their child a head start that compounds all the way to the final exam. January is where grades are shaped. May is just when they are confirmed. If you want your child walking into January mocks prepared to perform at their actual best, message me with the word maths and I'll reserve you a spot for a free strategy session so that January does not become a problem that you're fixing in February.